Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce spending on travel with Expedia, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Expedia website or app on your device. Create an account if you don't have one, or log in to your existing account. Start by searching for your desired destination in the search bar. Select your travel dates and the number of travelers. Click on the search button to view available options. Filter results based on your preferences, such as budget and amenities. Look for special offers or discounted rates displayed on the search results page. Consider using the flexibility option to view prices on different dates. Select the type of accommodation that fits your budget. Check the deals section for last-minute travel discounts. When selecting flights, consider choosing flexible options that allow changes without fees. Use the Add an Activity feature to bundle your travel plans. Review the package deals that might offer additional savings on flights and hotels. Ensure to compare different options before finalizing your choice. Look for loyalty rewards programs that may offer additional discounts. After selecting your travel plans, proceed to checkout. Review all details before confirming your booking to avoid any hidden costs. Once booked, keep an eye on your email for potential price drops and refund options. Consider tracking prices for future trips to capitalize on any decreases. Enjoy your travels while staying within your budget. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.